Introduce highlight features and overview of STYYIJ Halloween decorations. Single pre-installed orange pumpkin wizard hat Halloween decor hanging pumpkin ornaments. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Halloween decoration, a unique design that combines the grimace pattern and the witch hat into one. The breeze blows and the grimace pattern sways with the wind, creating a thrilling Halloween atmosphere. This will be unique scenery for your Halloween party decorations. Witch hat made of high-quality black Oxford cloth and the bottom made of orange environmentally friendly super polyester silk. The plush fabric is attached to the smiley face. Bright colors, interesting and creative design add more fun to the Halloween decorations. Unique shape and easy to use. It can be easily fixed in trees, courtyards, haunted houses, classrooms, eaves, gatherings, and other places. This will be your most eye-catching Halloween decor. The Halloween pumpkin pendant is easy to operate. The lanyard is located on the top of the pendant. You can use it for indoor or outdoor decoration. It is very suitable for party decoration and the good choice for your Halloween decoration. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.